Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are back with notice writing. That's the writing skill of class 8 with some questions and examples. Question is due to a sudden landslide and inclement weather, drastic weather, ABC School Murray has to be closed for a week because sudden landslide is there and horrible weather is going right now going on in Murray. So ABC school principal has decided it to be closed for a week. As a principal of that school, draft notice, write notice. Draft means write a notice or make a notice, design a notice in not more than 50 words to be displayed at the school main gate notice board. Now, where it will be displayed? School main gate notice board. And who are you right now? The principal. Okay? You are the principal. What is the reason for school to be closed? School is to be closed for a week because of landslide and horrible weather. What could be the example? It's just like this. ABC School Murray notice school closed for a week. Whatever the date is, 3rd January, because it's the winter season. So you need to make sure that you are writing December or January's date. Normally December is off everywhere. So avoid using the date of December. January we open the school normally. So January first week will be fine. All are hereby informed, all means everyone is hereby informed that school will remain closed for 1 week. Why we are closing the school for 1 week? Because owing to the sudden landslide and inclement weather in the past few days, and the school will reopen on 10th of January 2000 something. And who is writing the notice? Is the principal. Okay? Second question will be, you are the sports secretary of XYZ School Karachi. You need to draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board. Okay? What you need to do? You are writing a notice, draft a notice, and word limit definitely would be 50 words, and it is for your school. You are the sports secretary of your school. Okay? And this will be displayed on the school's notice board. Okay? What you want to ask? You need to ask the students to give their names for the participation in various events to be held and the annual sports day of your school. Okay, annual sport day is there, and you want students who are interested to give their names for the given events. Invent the detail of the event. Definitely the details you might not be knowing, so you have to imagine. You are going to imagine all the details of the event. Now, this is a little bit smaller for you people. Example. It's example number 3. First one we have already done as the movie one. Okay. So, XYZ School Karachi. Notice 6 November some of the year. Okay. Any of the year. Then our school is celebrating its annual sport day on, now 30th November is the date, and please see the difference between 6th November and 30th November. Around more than 3 weeks there, na? Around 3 weeks. So there must be some difference between the date of issuing, this is the date of issuing, and this is the date of the event. Okay, so you need to be very careful about it. Then students are hereby informed to give their names for the participation in various events to be held on the sport day. Now, what are the lists of events? This is given: 100-meter race, 200-meter relay, high jump, 3-legged race. All these 4 events are included. Please give your names to the undersigned. Undersigned means who has written, who has signed this here. That is the sports secretary. Okay? That is definitely you. By latest by the 10th of November. Now this 10th of November is the name submission date. It is after 6th but well before 30th. Okay? During the 4th period in the sports room. See the date, the time and the venue. What is required? Annual day is going to be there. 30th November, on 30th November. These are the events and date for submission of the name. Date is 10th, time is 4th period and sports room is the place. So everything is clear. Okay. Now you lost your, this is question number 3. You lost your Titan wristwatch in your school. You have lost the Titan wristwatch in your school. You need to again draft a notice in not more than 50 words and it will be placed on your school notice board. You are a student of class 8 of XYZ Secondary School, Karachi. Okay, the school name is given. Which student, which class you are there? You are the student of class 8. You are writing a notice because you have lost your wristwatch. What you have done? You have lost your wristwatch in the school. Okay. This can be the example and you will see what is written. XYZ Senior Secondary School, Karachi, notice, lost wristwatch, 7th August 2000 something. Now, the detail of it is lost a black strap. Black strap means the leather strap is of black color, but white dial. The dial is of white color, strap is of black color, dial is of white color. Titan wristwatch in the school playground, where this was lost? In the school playground during the 7th period yesterday. Okay, all the details are given. Anyone who finds it, please contact the undersigned. Undersigned means whoever has signed here. In class 8. Finder will be rewarded with a treat in the canteen. Definitely, nobody will tell you if you are not giving a treat. Right? Because Titan wristwatch, if they are finding Titan wristwatch, so definitely they will be pocketing it. Hardly someone of you will be telling. So, a notice can be written for various reasons. It's a recap now. The format of the notice remains the same in all the cases. Format is same. Different notice topic could be, maybe if you want to practice more, it can be about a competition. An excursion trip means a trip for some outing or a picnic. A lost and found notice that we have already done. An inauguration to take place, maybe something new is being started. An exhibition, maybe science exhibition. Maybe you have created a blood donation camp in the school, or any type of such event or information to be issued in public interest. Okay. The recap is also here for the format, that the name of the issuing agency authority, notice, date, title and subject of the event, body which is having all the facts and important information like date, time, duration, place, venue, etc. And whoever is having authority signature, its name, that person's name, designation and signature must be there. Okay, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.